A state of emergency has been declared in Vanuatu, a Pacific island state of 320,000 inhabitants hit simultaneously by a cyclone and an earthquake measuring 6.5. The quake occurred at 19.04 Italian time, 5 in the morning local time, 10 kilometers deep off the large island of Espiritu Santo and 82 kilometers southwest of the village of Port Olry, according to the American Institute of Geophysics, USGS. Well, this is all. Excuse me for my terrible English, but I'm an Italian boy. Thank you everyone and bye bye.